Hello and welcome everyone. Today is just going to be a short video where we're going to swap out these keycaps on this Whale 75 that I've got for some keycaps that were sent over by KPRepublic, and these are the Domikey iNKY Silent Forest keycaps. And one of the reasons why I want to take a look at these and make a video on them is because KPRepublic has been pretty amazing when it comes to supporting the channel in terms of just having things available, having discounts available, having accessible products, so that way I can do some of these builds that I do. And when they said they wanted to send over a set of these keycaps for me to take a look at, it was something that I was 100% on board with doing, because I just love what they do over there. So why don't we go ahead and start taking a look at what we got. So what they sent over to me today is the full all-in-one kit, and this is one of the things that's great about Domikey is you can get these all-in-one kits, so they break them out like other kits do in the hobby, but you can also get these all-in-one kits that just have everything, and you usually get them at a fairly reasonable discounted rate when you do the all-in-ones. So we get a keycap puller, and then it looks like we get some beige extras here. But this is an interesting set. I'm not really a green fan, but I have been wanting to get a green board and a red board, two boards colors that I do not really have in my collection. So I'm gonna go ahead and take these out of this tray here, or take this top tray off so we can take a look at the colors. Now these are ABS, and they are double shot and triple shot keycaps. So these guys come in this little tray that keeps the keycaps in place, which I think is kind of nice. I would like to see companies using more biodegradable materials, but it kind of is what it is. These are very interesting to me because the colors are quite muted. I don't know if you'll be able to see this or not here. Let's see if we can get this to focus. So they are quite muted, but they are very thick double shot keycaps. And let's get some calipers right here and actually check the thickness of the walls. So these are 1.4 millimeters. So fairly standard thickness when it comes to keycaps. And these are actually, I really do like the texture of the very soft touch in a way. I kind of dig that. And they are a very different green than I expected. I expected them to be more of a foresty green, but I get where the silent comes in, right? This is where it's kind of a muted color. So we've got the triple shot alphas here that include the sub legends, and then we've got our regular alphas. We get all kinds of kitting here. I mean, tons of kitting, and you can get these in separate pieces. Now, if you're just looking for the base kit, it's about 140 bucks, but you can also take advantage of the discounts that they have on the site. And if there's no deep discounts that they're running at the very moment, you can actually use the code PUNKSHOE and you'll get $5 off your purchase. And I mean, they've got 40s kitting, spacebar kits. Now that's what we should be taking a look at now, is the novelties. And it is interesting that we've got a chainsaw and a bulldozer for like deforestation for a Silent Forest keycap set, but I do, that is pretty cool with the wildcats and whatnot. So why don't we go ahead and get these put on the keyboard, and we'll see. I'll do a type test. We'll see if the sound changes between these are Canon Keys Moon And then we've got our Domikey ABS here. So we want to see what the sound changes. These are Anubis tactiles, and I want to see what the look, the look is with it on this more neutral tone board, and then see how it changes in sound. So let's jump into an initial, or let's go ahead and do the build, and then I'll just run the 2 sound tests back to back. All right, here we are. So I've got the keycaps on it, and it's definitely a different kind of vibe. It's not really my style, but I also think it kind of works, and you do get a pretty decent kitting with the all-in-one. Now, just to kind of tell you what the vibe is about, basically the blurb from the site says, with the change of the world's climate, the world's largest plain, West Siberia, changes a lot. The forest and the animals have to face a big living problem. iNKY team is dedicated to appealing against climate change with their design. Keyboards become a piece of everyday use equipment. iNKY decided to bring the design and keycaps to spread their concept. So somehow this is, I suppose, related to climate change in some capacity. But let's see how it relates to keyboards. So yeah, I don't know. What do you guys think? How did it come out? It's definitely an interesting colorway. Not really my normal go-to. But I think it also kind of works if you're into the alternating color mods and these particular colorways. So yeah. Thanks for coming along. If you guys are interested in these caps or any keycaps really from KPRepublic, I'll go ahead and place a link in the description. If you do use that link, it helps out the channel and it gives you $5 off purchases of $5 or more. That applies to any purchases you make on the website. So it can be keycaps, switches, what have you. But yeah, definitely check out KPRepublic. There's some really cool, nice stuff over on their website. And the shipping is fast, it's free, so it's about half the time of AliExpress. And if you pay for shipping, their expedited shipping is very quick as well. Anyway, thanks for hanging out today, guys. Thanks for taking a look at this interesting keycap set with me. And until next time, y'all have a good one.